Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a full-time content creator with a background in interior design, but I have been doing this for going on 6+ years now. If you guys missed my last video, I will link it for you guys. It was a thrift haul, and in today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys a PR haul of some packages that I have been receiving over the past couple of weeks. Lots of beauty, lots of skincare, and then I do have some clothing pieces that I wanted to share with you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get started with the clothing. Okay, so these pieces are from Unpublished, which you guys have seen me share quite a few times. I have been collaborating with them for, I think, a little over a year now. Sorry about the lighting in here, but I picked up a few pieces from them. So I think we have a pair of pants here and then a jumpsuit, if I remember correctly. So here is what the jumpsuit looks like. So it's a long sleeve with shorts and a really cute little belt. And it's got buttons down the front. You don't really see the buttons though because of this flap here, but you can see the button at the top. So cute little collar, long sleeves. So I think this would definitely be great for spring, going into summer. It also has pockets, which is super useful, and a cute little tie here so that you can cinch it up. And it's in this white denim material. So that is super cute. I'll definitely be wearing this a ton. I always love like a white denim look or kind of like a neutral denim look. So that is a size extra small, and then I picked up the Gemma Mod Sailor. I actually already have two different colors of these, a brown color and kind of like a mossy green color. This is more of a sage green color. It's one of their newer colors. Maybe it's kind of sage, but it also comes off as like khaki kind of. So Gemma Mod Sailor wide leg, and this is a size 25. What I love about their wide leg jeans, the Gemma style specifically, is that it's cropped. So it hits above the ankle because I have shorter legs. So that definitely is a little bit more flattering for my body type. The others fit just perfectly, so I think these will as well. We've got pockets in the back and these little mini pockets. You probably can't see them here at the top. So I think that this is going to be a super cute addition to my closet. I love that it's a little bit more neutral than my other two Gemma pants. So I'm very excited to style these. And they're definitely a great color for spring and summer. Okay, so next up I have a package here from Odele. They have amazing hair care, so shampoos, conditioners, all that kind of good stuff. Okay, so we've got a ton of goodies in here, but really quickly, what I love about Odele is that they are clean beauty, so cruelty-free, vegan, free of parabens, and all of the bad stuff. So you can definitely trust them with your hair. So this little bottle here is their dry shampoo, 100% natural fragrance with plant proteins. They also sent me their texturizing sea salt spray. I love sea salt spray for like waves, for beachy waves, that kind of thing. It really helps add like texture and volume to your hair. I'm super excited to try both of these. They're air dry styler and moisture mask. So of course, this is great for in the shower for a little bit of extra moisture after shampooing and conditioning. And then this guy here, their air dry styler. I haven't actually used anything like this before, but I'm very excited to use this. I think it's definitely going to help with like my naturally wavy hair. It says on the back that it smooths frizz and locks in moisture. And it also adds shine and texture for a perfect air dry, so you can actually skip the blow dryer when you use this guy. So I'm very excited to try that. I definitely try to stay away from using a ton of heat on my hair. I also just wanted to say that I love the packaging. Very simple, very neutral and chic. And then lastly in that box was this set of shampoo and conditioner. This is their volumizing conditioner and volumizing shampoo. They have several different lines, but I wanted to pick out this one because I'm looking for a little bit more volume in my hair. So I figured that I would try this out and see what it does for me. These are both the 13 fluid ounce size, so a little bit bigger, which is awesome because this should last me quite a while. What's cool is that it also tells you on the back what type of hair that it works best for. So the volumizing shampoo and conditioner are great for straight, wavy, fine, or medium hair. You've probably seen these at Target, but you can also order from their website. Okay, so next up I have 2 boxes from Kiehl's. You guys probably know them, they've been around forever. They make amazing apothecary skincare, which is natural and science-based. So I'm gonna open up this box for you guys first. Okay, so we have 2 skincare goodies here and then a little tea container. Look how cute that is. It's like a little rose gold accent. Pinky Up, chamomile citrus herbal tea with flowers, loose leaf, and USDA organic. So I'll definitely be trying out this tea. I have been drinking coffee for quite some time now, but I'm actually going to try to stop drinking coffee and be drinking tea instead. So this was actually perfect. So in here we have their powerful strength, line reducing and dark circle diminishing vitamin C eye serum. That is a little bit of a mouthful. There you guys can kind of see the package. And then we also have their powerful strength, line reducing concentrate with vitamin C as well. So 2 little vitamin C products. They also both have hyaluronic acid, which is amazing for moisturizing. So here is what that looks like. Sorry about the lighting, guys. For some reason, the lighting in here is always super weird. And then here is the other product, the concentrate. So that's what that looks like. Okay, I'm gonna open up the other box. And then we have this bigger box here. And this has quite a few more products in it. These are their ultra pure serums. So this is a new product line from Kiehl's. And then a few of their favorites as well. So I think these are their cult favorite products. So the creamy eye treatment with avocado, the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, which I have actually used before and it is amazing. Super moisturizing. So that is awesome. And this one actually has glacial glycoprotein in it. So Ultra Facial Cream. I think they have a few different products in this line. And then their Creme de Corpse Body Lotion. So a cute little bottle of that. Oh my goodness, sorry about that, guys. And then we've got 3 of the Ultra Pure serums here. All 3 of them have different purposes and different ingredients. So this green one is actually for oily skin, to keep your oily skin in check. The blue one is a pure serum to help your skin bounce back. That one actually has hyaluronic acid in it. The green one has niacinamide in it. And then the red one is a glycolic acid serum. So this is to help smooth your skin, so for smoother skin. And they all look like that, so a little clear bottle and 3 different types. So I'm definitely excited to try out these new serums, and I am very excited about the cult favorite products as well. And these are actually all available at Sephora. Okay. Okay, so that is everything that I wanted to show you guys in this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys aren't subscribed already, please be sure to subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to follow me along on all socials at The Urban Darling, and check out my blog, theurbandarling.com, as well for more lifestyle content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye!